Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about Hrm functions. If you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe my channel for more related videos. So, the Hrm functions can be classified into two categories. The first one is managerial function and the next one is operational function. We'll see one by one in detail. First, managerial functions. Managers' first and foremost job is to manage people. All the managers, regardless of their departments, carry out managerial functions. Managerial function of Hrm or, as you know, planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling. First, planning. It is concerned with pre-planning of activities to be done in future. It is the process of taking any action after thinking about it. So the planning is related to strategy formulation of personal programs and changes in advance that will help in the achievement of organization goals. HRP, that is human resource planning, hiring, selection, T&D, that is training and development, or some of the HR functions which require planning. Next, organizing. It is the procedure of aligning people and other resources so that they can work together in order to achieve a goal. For this, firms generally need to establish relationships among the employees so that they can mutually contribute to fulfill the organization goals. Next one is directing. Directing is concerned with telling employees to perform a specific task and make sure that the work done is as per the given directions. The voluntary and effective cooperation of employees for the fulfillment of organizational goals is possible through right direction. It is the responsibility of the human resource management to motivate, develop communication network, integrate people and maintain discipline and to resolve employee grievances in a quick and proper way. Next, coordinating. Coordination among the people is essential at all levels of management. Achievement of organizational objectives is possible only through the coordination among the group and their activities. Developing, integrating, or the responsibility of HRD. The last decisions may be taken by the line managers, but personal department can give suggestions for improvements. The final one is controlling. Controlling is the procedure of examining and verifying if everything as per the set plan standards. Some of the means through which human resource management function can be controlled and made effective are auditing of training programs, analysis of labor turnover records, directing moral surveys, and conducting separate interviews. These are all comes under the manager function. Next we'll see about the operational functions. The operational functions are the special activities which human resource people have to perform for each and every department of the organization. These are all the regular functions of HRD. It focuses on all activities of the organizational workforce from their HR planning till their exit. These functions are employment, human resource development, that is HRD, compensation, and human relations. Employment deals with acquiring and hiring the potential candidates for the attainment of objectives of the organization. Job analysis, manpower planning, recruitment, selection, induction and placement are the activities which are included in the employment function. Human resource development is the procedure of building and transforming the knowledge, skills, creativity, attitude according to the existing and upcoming requirements of the job and the organization. It consists of performance evaluation, training and development, career planning and development. Compensation is about motivating employees by providing them reasonable and satisfactory remuneration so that they can work more effectively. Employee benefits, bonus, incentives and social security benefits are the components of compensation package. Job evaluation and wage and salary administration are the process of compensation management. Next, human relations. It is a procedure of integrating people through interaction at the workplace. It helps people to work collectively in a team to gain high productivity and satisfaction in terms of money. Not only money, mind, and society. It involves dealing with employee grievances timely by a well-developed grievance handling procedure, disciplinary action, and employee counseling to give them relief from stress, frustration, etc. These are all the functions of HRM. In the next video, we'll discuss about what are the roles of HR manager and what are the categories of HR manager. All those things will be discussed in the next